How do you think this is gonna go?
We'll see.
Oh! Oh!
This thing's the devil. I don't even want to try and even beat that.
Hey you guys, we're here today with Nigel Jones, Carlos Lastra, and special guest, professional blader, Be Free.
Yeah, I'm not this tall in person, by the way. I got a little bit of a boost up here.
We're all kind of tall because I even got my cool wheels, my electric blades.
You're gonna try this wall ride, right? On
Oh
these,
no,
right?
I'm good. But we're here today for the highest wall ride challenge on the blades.
Sounds good. Yeah, I got talked into this.
And I've seen a few examples of Be Free here conquering this wall. And it made me sick to my stomach.
I don't know if you beat my record, but you got real close.
I got a little bit of vertigo. Like as I was watching the footage, it kind of made me a little dizzy. I felt like I was in a plane looking downwards at the ground 30,000 feet below, because that's how high he went. And now he's gonna go head to head with Nigel right now to try to claim the highest wall ride on the Braille wall. So Nigel, where do you stand right now?
The wall.
My official record?
Because we did paint it. The marks are gone, but the record stands.
Okay, I'm ready.
Right, so my record front truck over, I got over 13 feet, but I don't count it as that. I count it as both trucks being over a line, so I'm at 12 and a half.
Both trucks
Both
got
trucks
over the 12.
over 12, in the middle of 12 and 13.
That's hard for blading too. Like that's high.
There's 6 feet of very steep transition, and then it goes to another just.
All I know
like-
is I'm ready.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, he's
There we
ready,
go. There
ready.
we go. There
Okay.
we go.
No
Thank you,
concussions
coach.
today, guys. So I guess the first thing is I think I would like to give these guys a bit of an instruction.
Yeah, let's be smart about it, right?
Yes.
First, figuring out what's your dominant side when you're turning. You feel comfortable turning to the right or left? Right shoulder over that. Same way for me too. So this way. All right. And which way would you turn?
Right.
This way? Okay. It's the same technique y'all use in skateboarding where you're kind of using the board, you know, you're keeping that squat, that suction, right? So as soon as you get up to the wall, try to keep your legs as far as you can with your body, meaning like keeping them as even. Like you don't want to be 2 feet up here. Like you want to try to keep your feet together for all the whole time. You can jump to it too as well. If you don't want to roll up the wall, you can just kind of like jump stall and then come back down.
Okay, well, I'll do my best.
If you don't, you can always slide out. It's the easiest way to stay low. It's the easiest
Carlos, you got to practice that, brother.
Easiest way.
So I know you've tried this. It was actually in a Mellow Monday on the Braille Army channel, so you should subscribe and check that out every other Monday. How was it from your experience?
Terrifying. Absolutely terrifying. I like rollerblading is not like it's not me. It's not me. I mean, I could do things here and there, but y'all wild.
You're wild.
Specifically are
This guy's wild too, though. So that's cool. I'm just happy that you're even giving it a chance. Some people won't even try it. So
We're trying to change that around about the world of rollerblading.
one session at a time. One session at a time.
Send it! That's pretty good.
He just did it.
That's pretty good.
Now he's just got to get 12 feet.
12 and a half.
12 and a half.
Oh yeah, Carlos. Just watch that lean back, dude. Watch that lean back. Wow! You all right?
I'm done. That's all you get out of me is one.
You good? Oh no.
This is why I hate this wall and the rollerblades. I like the rollerblades out there and on here, but this thing's the devil. I don't even know if I'm gonna do it on my skateboard now. That took me out.
Carlos. Oh my God! You almost crashed into the light.
I had composure. It's scary, dude.
All right, B.
That was disrespectful. I'm pretty sure he just planted at 12 and a half.
Dude, that is unbelievable. Oh my God.
That was my record right there in first try.
It's so different in real life. Dude, how'd that shot look, Troy?
Pretty insane. He was up at the top dot.
Oh my God.
He was up at the top, but he's hopping up right there, so he got up to like 13.
That's crazy.
Yeah, that's nuts.
All right, Carlos. You still got about a foot, Carlos.
It's weird. It's a little. You gotta practice for it.
Oh! Body!
That's exactly what I was afraid of.
That was sick. You were up on that.
You got 1 foot above the line.
You
That
saw how
was
you
it.
jumped up to it, though. That's it.
That was the one.
But now when you do it, you stomp that wall with that confidence, right? That's it.
Hey, Dan. I need you to come see this. You ready for this?
What's happening?
Well, not Carlos, B. that again, yeah, Carlos! What in the world?
Record shattered. I don't even want to try and even beat that.
Oh my God! Easy winning. Oh my God.
Right above the line.
So, you know what? As soon as it flashed in my head, I'm not even gonna lie, Carlos falling straight to the bottom. I was like thinking of that. Yeah, I was like, as soon as I thought I got up there and got away from the wall, I was like, oh, it's a far drop back into the bank.
That was madness, brother.
That literally is madness. Look at it, I just posted that. Madness.
That's ridiculous, dude.
I did it.
You've crushed the record, so that's out of the picture. That's the record of any sport.
Okay. Well, I'm ready for whenever we try to do it again. Let's keep it going.
Now I get to say I got the all-time high skateboard record. How about that? I ain't got the record though.
It's all right. We in there together. That's it.
I don't think anybody is beating that.
We gotta start having. We'll get some more guests in here too. I'm sure someone will want to try it. You know, that's always gonna give people motivation to come and try to beat the record. Or
All right, where's my skateboard?
No, you know what? Wait, let's do this right now. If any of you guys, if you think you can beat that record that was just set right now, hit me up on Instagram at GabeCrew01. DM me, and we'll figure out a way to get you here so you can try
Don't listen to him. DM me. He don't answer his DMs. Oh, I got you. DM me. I answer my DMs.
Oh yeah.
He a lie over here saying he gonna get back to you. Boy.
Oh, I got that. Do you just want to do like some tricks on the wall? And then maybe if you want to do like some combos with Carlos.
Curtis?
That is terrifying looking.
Yeah, dude, but the style that he whips the back around.
Still goes so fast. Whoa! What?
I like how he just like lightly giggles as he's walking away from like.
Uzi's so right, dude. Every time you roll away from something that probably should have ended bad, you just hear you going, just giggling away. I would be screaming, brother. Oh! That was, wow! That was really high.
Was it?
Your knee hurts?
Yeah, dude. I don't know what happened. But...
oh my God. Okay. Yo.
Oh man.
Keeping your feet tucked like that for so long is crazy.
Nice. That was an easy 12. You guys should try to go at the same time, Nigel. Same time doubles.
On left side, I'll go right.
Same time.
Same time.
Scary, real scary hours. Hi. How do you think this is gonna go?
We'll see. No opinion.
You good?
Yeah, I didn't know what to expect. I was hoping I was far enough to the right. Okay.
You were way far
Oh
enough.
my.
What happened? Did you just go straight to flat? All right.
If I fell like that, Carlos, I would never get on any contraption with a wheel ever again in my life.
Bodied.
And then he just came up smiling, happy. Oh! He saved it!
Dang it!
That's why they say third time is the charm.
Third time is the charm.
That looked unreal!
It was like skydiving. It just got so quiet.
That was good. You guys both went
Wow, look at that, dude.
Goodness.
That was insane.
Yeah, that was tight.
Wait, can you do me a favor? Can you touch the roof and then come back down, if it's possible?
That's a good question.
There was a few where you got really
the
close.
thing is, though, if you come off of the wall
Yeah,
at
and
all,
that's-
and you're like, it's fall. I don't know. I might have to say that for another video.
No,
What's up?
probably. How hard would it be to stall on that?
Oh, like off to the side?
Yeah.
Is it hard cement?
That side is, yeah.
Like underneath where the bar is, or on top of the bar?
That entire wall is concrete.
Drywall.
It would be sick to do it and Wallride and
Like you
come
could literally
off.
run through it.
How do we do it?
That would be so tight. I wonder if I could do that.
What if we could we put like a ramp down, or would you just go to flat?
Both. I mean, it'd be cool to have a ramp here. It'd be sick if you guys put another little kicker here so you can do transfer stuff into
Yeah.
it. It'd be sick. Just an idea. But the wall ride would be sick. But if it's this, Is that's sketchy.
Yeah. I mean, we could do it. I'd be down to put it in this video if you're down for it.
All right, let's see. Let's move it.
Let me just end this wall session with my own wang danger.
Oh snap! First try.
All right, well, let's start moving some stuff then. You've stalled on that wall right there and that wall. Both of those are drywall of the same thickness. So I think you'll be fine. And especially because you're bombing it upwards and not at it, I think it'll be all right.
Let's try to do a little chill one and see.
Okay. I think he's just sending it, Troy.
I think he'll nail it first try.
I don't think he's gonna go through the wall. I think he's fine.
Wall, yeah.
It's possible.
Oh my god! That was insane!
If I can wall ride the plank, that would be the illest. At least get 1 foot on it. Okay, I'm just gonna do the wall ride again, just to do that and see how that turns out. Because my thing is, if I go all the way to the top, and I'm so close to this stuff, that's scary.
What we can do is just slide the kicker over that entire portion of the wall right there.
Oh, like
Or
lay
of
it
the
on
desk.
it.
So at least if you have to land there,
You
there's like
just
a kicker to
kicker
roll
into
away
it.
on.
Let's try it again. Let's see. Oh, it's so far away. That's what it is.
Oh no!
My frame bolt came out. That's how hard I fell. The bolts that are in these particular skates, they're really small and they're short. Unlike the other ones, are kind of a little bit longer.
Oh.
So I have to make sure these bolts are tight. I felt it earlier, but I just was being lazy. And don't be lazy. If you hear any kind of noise in your skates, always check your bolts. Make sure they're tight. So when you're skating and doing tricks, they're not falling apart. I gotta figure it out. That's pretty much it. I think every time I pop off, I don't know why. It's maybe because the ratio from the wall to the ground is the space is so weird.
Yeah, I guess
that
so.
I'm like forward already coming off the wall, so I gotta like jump back.
Well, I
a little
think
bit.
that one is just because you like went through the wall and pushed off.
Very true. And
Didn't
the
really
wall-
have the momentum
yeah.
to push off.
I need like
I think
ride
if you-
it a little bit. Only thing I'm worried about is just the wall. Like if I trust that it's gonna work, I don't want to like fall through it.
I mean,
Right?
if you want, we can just screw a piece of plywood onto the actual
that
wood
would
and
be
then you'll be
so
fine. Let's just do that real quick. It'll
wanna do
take
it
like
now?
3 seconds, yeah. I mean, at this point of insanity in videos, I don't want to be held responsible for anything, so I just let you decide.
But I'm pretty sure I could do it without it though.
Should we just give one more try?
Yeah, let me give
And then
one
if it
more.
doesn't work out, we'll try to make it work. Oh yeah, that was
Oh, that's it.
it. That was it.
Yeah, I don't think I need the board. It's definitely possible though. I just gotta like jump off the wall. Man. I think I had it that time. Okay, let's do it.
That's it.
Take it. We gotta do a lot of stuff with this.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna put the ramp there.
We will.
See some more stuff in the episodes coming up. We gotta
We will.
do this.
That was the ender of all enders, though. That was
So,
insane, though.
thanks,
oh my
man.
God.
Thanks for the idea.
That was gnarly, man. I was scared for him, dude.
This is not a real wall right here, so you can literally fall through. So it's trying to, but we're testing. That was all tests to
Yeah.
see what we're gonna be doing.
Yeah, all the concrete or cement is right here. All the drywall is right here.
I was almost gonna have another hold patch.
World record smashed and wall almost smashed.
We almost went through the wall to the next door
Hulk
restaurant.
smash, dude.
Yeah.
Yep.
But now we know there's possibilities now. Now
Oh,
we know
there's-
we got, not just the wall, taking one object and then making something else out of the
That's what I
same.
tell people, like to do stuff that we do,
creative.
you just really have to have an imagination, you know?
it.
Anything's possible.
This entire place is our playground, and the toys come from what we can come up with in here, and what you guys comment below. But real quick, before we end this video, shouts out to Be Free for coming here and
you
just
guys.
showing off his incredible talent.
Appreciate
shout out-
you guys for letting me come out here.
Yeah, dude, shout out to
Hey, thanks for
everything.
teaching me how to drop in, dude. That was cool.
All of his information will be in the description below. Go check that out. He does instructions. He can teach you guys how to blade. So if you want to learn yourself, definitely learn from this guy because he is the bomb. But there's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you guys go out there, have a good time, have a good summer. We hope you're enjoying your time, and we'll see you tomorrow.